Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to install Vim Editor on Ubuntu Operating System. Vim is one of the clone versions of the text editor VI, and with features such as syntax highlighting and new editing commands, Vim is one of the best text editors for the development environment, and Vim comes standard with most Linux distributions. But if you want to use the latest available version, you need to use Git, and in this tutorial we will learn how to install the Vim editor on Ubuntu operating system. So let's start with the installation of Vim. Just open your terminal. The shortcut is Ctrl Alt plus T. Let me just maximize it. Alright. Now first of all we will install the ncurses packages. So I'll just type sudo because we need root access, apt-get space install space library, that is lib ncurses 5 -dav dev, then library ncurses w 5 -dev. Just hit enter. So you can see the following additional packages will be installed, that is library ncurses dev, and these are the new packages that will be installed, and it's going to take around 2 MB of additional space. So just install it. Now once the installation of these packages is over, then the next thing is to install git make as well as the build essential. So I'll do all three of them together. So just write sudo apt space install space git, then space make. This make tool builds and installs packages from non-official repositories, and then we have build essential. So I'm going to keep all these commands in the description of the video, so you can directly copy it from the description of the video and then paste in your terminal and then run it. So after that just hit enter and the installation is going to begin. And you can observe build essential is already the newest version, make is already the newest version. That means both of them were already present on my computer, and git was not present, so it was installed. And the build essential package contains the necessary compiler. So anyways, once the installation of these packages is over, we can start with the installation of Vim. And for that we have to download Vim from its GitHub repository to your machine. So I'll just write the command here, sudo space git space clone space https://github.com/vim/vim.git and just hit enter. Now the system is going to download the files. Now depending upon the internet speed of your computer, it might take some time, and once the download is over and you get messages like this, done, then we can navigate to the download directory. So for that just type cd vim/src, and the current working directory is vim/src. Now we have to use sudo once again, sudo space make, and then you will get messages like this. So as I explained earlier, the make tool is used to build and install packages which are coming from non-official repositories. So the system is actually building the program from its source code. The system has finished building the program from the source code, and you will have messages or text like this. So now what we have to do is to install. So just type sudo space make space install and then just hit enter. And now the Vim editor is going to be installed. At the end you will get messages like this, which means the installation was complete. And if you want to verify the installation, then you can just type vim space -v. So it shows Vim, which is vi improved, and the version is 9.0.1047. Vim is open source and freely distributable. So to quit we have to type :q. For help we have to type :help and then hit enter. In the same way, for help regarding the version we have to type :help version and hit enter. So now I'll just quit the application. So for that we have to type : and then q, enter, and Vim is closed now. Now if you want to uninstall Vim, then you can uninstall it. And to uninstall, first of all we will have to change our working directory. So just type cd space vim /src. all right, then you type sudo space make space uninstall and hit enter. And this is going to remove the latest version from the GitHub repository. After this you can use the apt-install vim command if you want to return to the release from the official repository. So what I mean by that is, let's first of all clear. And now if you type vim space -v, it says there is no such file or directory. But let's say you want to return to the release which is from the official repository, not from the GitHub repository. So just type sudo space apt space install space vim and then just type y. Now this is going to install or return the release of Vim, which is from the official repository. And in the beginning of the video we have installed the latest version of Vim by using GitHub, and this official version of Vim is already present on most of the Linux distributions. So now we are just trying to return back to the same official release of the Linux distribution. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.